Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will rewrite mixed numbers by borrowing from the whole. Let's rewrite each mixed number by borrowing one whole and renaming. So we have the mixed number 3 and 2/3. 3 and 2/3 can be represented as 1, 2, 3 wholes and 2/3 of another whole. So 1, 2, 3, and we need to shade 2 because we have 2/3 of it. So we need to take this mixed number and we need to rewrite it by borrowing one whole. So we have 3 wholes. We are going to borrow one of those wholes. We are going to do that by taking this whole and representing it as a fraction. Now, one whole in this case is the same thing as 3/3. One whole and 3/3 means the same thing. So we borrowed one of the wholes and turned it into a fraction format. So now we have 2 wholes because we borrowed one of them. So we can write 2 wholes. And now let's rewrite these models here. So the same models down here. Let's count how many thirds we have since we took one of the wholes and rewrote it as a fraction. Let's count how many thirds we have now. 1/3, 2/3, right? 3/3, 4/3, 5/3. So 3 and 2/3 is the same thing as 2 and 5/3. Let's put the models side by side. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2/3, 1, 2, 3, 2 of them are shaded, is the same thing as 2 wholes, 1, 2, and 5/3. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, which makes the whole, 4/3, 5/3. 3 and 2/3 is the same thing or equal to 2 and 5/3. We notice that 3 and 2/3 holds the same value as 2 and 5/3. If we look closely at both of these models, we notice they have the same exact value, even though they are different mixed numbers. All we did was borrow one of the wholes, we rewrote it as a fraction, and we were able to rewrite this mixed number as another mixed number.